Okay guys, welcome to my channel. This will be the first video of a long series called The Traders Insight. And basically what the Traders Insight is going to be is me coming up here on a weekly basis and sharing my insights for the upcoming week. So I'll be dropping videos like that every Sunday, and I'll be going at it from pair to pair. So today, what do we have? Today we have the AUD USD and MD Euro card, and I'm going to walk you through my thought process and analyze what might happen in the future. Okay. First things first, me, I work by the principle of top-down analysis. That is, I do top-down analysis to know where the market will be heading next. So basically what I do is come on the weekly time frame. First of all, just give me a sec. I want to clear all my previous analysis and take you to where I am now. Like, I have to start from afresh. Clear this. Clear this. Now we are good to go. First things first, we come on the only time frame. Okay. See if we can determine. So for those who don't know, I'm a self-taught trader, and if you see these blue lines, this is a concept I took from Mr. Dapo. Who have said Dapo release. This is a concept I took from him. So this is where the market is at right now, and this is what it has been doing. Like here, the market is too choppy. You can't really analyze from here. But I wish to go down now to the weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame. So I'm just going to look at the most recent price action. The most recent price action. So mind you, these blue levels you see here, these are my key levels. So from the most recent price action, I was seeing something like this. The market was rangy here for a bit, and let's just say this was a double top. The way I see it, this was a double top. Now the market has been trending for a bit. So this trend line, what I can see is this trend line. So when the market breaks this trend line, actually, by the time I came to this market, this was up. So what I did was, I just looked at the break of this trend line. I was like, okay, the market's about to reverse. But the reason why I said this was a double top for me is because if you look at this, this is up, neckline, up again. You're breaking it. Now we are coming to do somewhat like a retest. The first thing I did when I came here was to look at the Fibonacci and see what it tells me. Let's look at the Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. So what Fibonacci tells me is we are in a Fibonacci zone and we have rejected it. So that's the first information. And the principle about Fibonacci is if you make A, B, then you make C, then the next target will be D, which is around the negative 26%. So with that now in mind, what I'll do is I came and drew my trend line like somewhere here. Somewhere here. And what this tells me is the market is heading down. The market is heading down. Okay. So given that the market is heading down, so where do we probably see this market going? Like I said, if Fibonacci tells us from, if you draw it from swing high to swing low, because it's a downtrend, the market tells us, let me just highlight this point. Okay, so this is probably where we are heading next here, around 1.20617. So we have anticipating all this movement down here. Ideally, that's what is going to happen. But in case this market should even fail, at least it should tell us it wants to fail. So it has to come up close at least A, because the market doesn't just change direction, like it has to tell you it wants to change direction. So impulse leg, retracement, impulse leg to this. At least if the market wants to change direction, at least we should attempt to break this point and fail before actually reversing downward. That actually reversing upward. That's what usually is the case. But now, having that in mind, that at least if we cannot get here, we are going to attempt this level at the minimum. But you know that the market works from zone to zone. So basically, we are still in this zone. So to get here, at least we have to break this key level here. But for now, for the medium term, what I can see is, so I'll just come to my daily time frame. A daily time frame, and what I saw, because we have to bear in mind that this market came here and did this. This is even where I started investigating this market, when it came here and rejected at this point. So all my investigation gave me was, okay, at this point I drew this minor level here. Through this minor level. And what I said to myself is, if we are to go down, at least we have to sustain within this below this yellow bar. We have to sustain below this yellow bar. And I'm going to place a screenshot of me calling this on my Telegram channel, so you guys see I'm not just analyzing the current market. Before this downward move, I'd already called this on my trading channel, like if we can't sustain below this yellow bar, then at least our next level target will be here. And if we break this key level, our next level target will be here. Okay, with that being said, we have sustained below this level. We have sustained below this level, so I actually had a trade in here. Normally, I don't take my trade on the daily time frame. I take my trades on the 4 hour and the 1 hour times. So I took my trade somewhere here. Actually, I took this trade here. Let me not even lie. Let me be real to you. And I put my stop loss just above here, 116 pip stop loss. It's not small, I know, but I just had to do like a risk calculation and adjust my risks in terms of lot size to this. So basically, this is what happened, and I'm anticipating I'm anticipating euro card to come down here. We might have a little bit of hiccups here, but overall I'm anticipating it to come down here. So at this point I'm going to take some of my profit, even more. So I'm going to take about 80% of my profit and leave 20 running. Once this market breaks down here, I'm going to start looking for other entry opportunities. But for the meantime, our overall target is somewhere here around 1.4233. Okay, that's it for EuroCAD. Thanks.